Yo guys, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shafi, and in this video I would like to explain about BGP or Border Gateway Protocol. And BGP have two parts. First is eBGP, and second is eBGP. And um, in the and maybe you have heard that BGP is connect different network or different IS number. And today we'll make it simple and easy to understand. We'll talk about three basic but very important part of BGP in Cisco. And the first is remote AS, and the second is update source, and the third is route reflector. Remote AS tell us which AS our autonomous system the neighbor belongs to, and update source chooses which interface to use, and route reflector helps make eBGP simpler and easier to manage. These three commands are very common in real BGP configuration, so practice them often to build a strong foundation. And I will show to you a simple simple topology. Alright, now we have three color of this topology. This router, three router is eBGP or external BGP, and then router 1 and router 2 are eBGP. So the function of route reflector is to advertise this network. So the server can ping to server Google. That's simple. And then I will config route reflector in Cisco. Alright, now we have four router R4, R1, R2, and R3. This is the network of two router 10.10.10.0 and then 10.10.20 and then 20. And three router, this is AS10, and R3, this is AS20. So we can open R4, click no. Now this is for we will config this router from 0. First, this is the level 1 of Cisco router. So different between Cisco and MikroTik. Cisco have three level for the configuration. First, level 1, level 2, and level 3. And for the level 1, we have the command is a little, and if you want to configure IP address, VLAN, and BGP on our that we use level 3. First, we can command enable. This is a hashtag for level 2, and then configure terminal. This is command to level 3. And first we set the host name or the router name. Command is hostname R4, and then we set the IP address. And in Cisco we use subnet mask. So different between MikroTik use slash or prefix, and then in Cisco we use subnet mask. And we comment no shot, and then exit, and we set the BGP neighbor. This is IP address other side of this router. Example, this is 10.10.10.1 and R1 is 10.10.10.2, so we add the other IP, and then remote AS10, and then we set update source for BGP update. This is we use interface peering, and then click and then right we open the R1, and then this is for enable, and conft for configure terminal. Then we set the IP address, no shot.
Kalau yang tahun ketiga aku tanya ChatGPT masih masuk akal. Apa? Tahun ketiga.
And then bisa do WR,
yang negara-negara ini.
and then bisa the router BGP.
Aku tanya GPT masih masuk akal banget. Jadi masih bisa.
We set
Cuman yang tahun kedua nih
neighbor
22 juta nggak bisa.
Ya, mau nggak mau menyambung budget.
Kalau yang tahun ketiga bisa.
remote AS10.
Eropa itu kan Eropa
Dan kalau buat tahun ketiga habis 40 juta sih, terus ada di Mekahnya 3 bulan itu gila sih, murah banget sih.
And then enter, and we set the neighbor.
Apalagi kan yang ini yang kalian tuh kan influencer yang goes to Arab cuma 2 juta itu pakai gitu aja.
22
Mereka dari Asia lebih bedanya.
AS10,
Asia bedanya.
and then update source.
Kan ada peralatan naik motor ke mana?
Slash
Ya mereka
0 slash
harus
1 enter,
dia sih nyari aplikasi sih bisa.
Iya, tapi yang
Kalau yang nggak punya modal apa-apa, ya udah.
and then we can click exit, and then
emang bener kata
do
Sofi,
WR,
duit di rekening lu harus di atas 50 juta. Enggak mau.
and
Kemarin pas aku ke
conft,
Australia, budget kalau
and then
50 juta nggak boleh masuk negara itu.
Iya.
Iya. Soalnya ya orang lain dari negara lain mau ke negara kita
dan bisa ada IP address.
negara kita. Makanya duit lo harus di atas 50 juta.
Nanti lihatin ya. Dikasih lihat.
Aku nggak tahu caranya gimana. Mungkin pas visa mungkin atau gimana nggak paham sih. Berarti gimana caranya orang tuh tahu tabungan kita di atas 50 juta?
Nah itu.
Aku juga bingung di situ. Gimana caranya?
No shot, and then exit,
Kembali ke
and then
Afrika, Spanyol.
enter
Ini
IP
mantap kemarin. Mantap banget nih, Cuk.
Apa?
2021.
Ntar tak lihat ini.
No shot, and then X, and then okay, this is a notification from Cisco if we set the IP address or BGP or something else, the Cisco will send us the notification, and then we set the R3 for ABGP, and conft hostname R3, and then interface IP add, and I forgot, because this is we use /24, so we set the subnet mask is 0, not 252. No shot, and then X router BGP 20, and then we set
3 bulan ada cuy.
neighbor,
Rokok.
Iya.
and we open this router. I want to change the IP address.
Gila, 40 juta bisa puterin Eropa.
Cari aja dari travel biar mereka yang budgetin.
No shot. First, we want to ping to R3. Do ping. Okay, we can ping. So we can open the BGP table. Do sh BGP. Alright, we not set the BGP. Neighbor. This is S20. Okay, we can open the BGP table. BGP. If the BGP table is not, if we command SIBGP but the table is not what, muncul bahasa Inggris spawn, yes. If the BGP table is not spawn, in this case we have a trouble. The trouble is we not set the network of BGP. First we can conf t and then router BGP 10 and then network. We input this network and we set the subnet mask. Enter and X right, do right. Then we set network mask, then network, we set the host name first, do shib BGP. Okay, and then we set router 2. And then we set the 3 network. Enter, wait, the mask. Enter. Enter. And then we can open the BGP table. Alright, we have this BGP table. And we can ping from this router. X ping to 10.10.1, enter. Do ping, I'm sorry. Okay, we can ping, and if we want to ping from this router to router 3, we can ping because we don't set a router reflector. First, we can open router BGP 10 and then neighbor. Okay, the other IP address, and then we set route reflector client, enter, and we set to this IP address again 20.2, enter, and we wait for the notification from Cisco. Okay, we can check the connection, click ping.
Ini belum dibagi yang punya.
What we do as run SBGP, enter, and then this is command for show the configuration we have set, and then this is network. Alright, it's correct too, and then 1, and then it's 2 reflector client. Maybe this is loading or adjacency from BGP. Alright, that's correct. So we can ping from R3 to R4 and then R4 to R3. Do ping. Alright, this is success rate is 100%, 5 per 5, and then the average latency is 1. So we have finished setting this route reflector, and I hope you understand what I explained in this video. If you not understand, you can ask me on the social media, my number or my Instagram account. You can chat or PC. Alright, that's all from me. Thank you for attention and for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye.